Hello everybody. Welcome to the Market Views update for May 17, 2018 from Brokerage Free. Let's have a look at the important points from yesterday's trading session. Markets were bearish yesterday. A high wave pattern candle was formed in the daily charts. Foreign institutional investors sold shares worth about Rs 699 crores. Domestic investors bought shares worth about 229 crores. Punjab National Bank, which posted a loss of 13,417 crores, loses about 12% in the trading sessions yesterday. ICICI Bank lost about 3% yesterday. Lupin, which posted a quarterly loss of 784 crores, was still up by 2.26%. This is because of a recent acquisition that they've had, and that was considered as a one-time write-off. Otherwise, Lupin is India's second largest pharmaceutical drug company. Let's have a look at the Nifty. The Nifty yesterday opened at 10,751 and closed at 10,741. Nifty made an intraday high of 10,790 and a low of 10,699. The market swung about 90 points in one single day, and it was down. It closed down at 60 points down from previous day close of 10,801. Support levels at this point of time for Nifty is around 10,695 and 10,650. Resistance levels are at 10,785 and 10,835. Yesterday's video we posted about inverted hammer and shooting star, and at that point of time we mentioned that it could be a sign that the trend could reverse. The signal, though not clear, has to be confirmed in yesterday's trading session. So the markets actually opened at a gap down and started coming down, which is more or less in line with what we had reviewed in yesterday's session as well. Let's have a look at the high wave candlestick. For a high wave candlestick, the open and close are slightly different. It has a small body with the tall upper and lower shadows. What this indicates is that there is uncertainty in the markets and there is no sense of direction or trend. There is a cliche that goes around which says, when in doubt, stay out. With regards to the markets. So investors at this point of time are advised to be careful about selection and minimize size. Traders, you work on your strategies and indicators and bring your best game in making profits in the trading sessions. So let's have a look at what this high wave candlestick is in the chart. So we'll take a look at the Nifty charts. And if we have a look at the charts for yesterday, Nifty opened at 10,751 and closed at 10,741 with a difference of only about 10 points. However, if you see, the high for Nifty yesterday is 10,790, which is roughly about 4 times 40 points above the opening price. And if you look at the closing for Nifty, it is 10,741, but however the low for Nifty is 10,699, and there is a difference of again about 40 points, which is 4 times the size of the body. So for us to identify a high wave candlestick, the body has to be small, which is represented only by 10 points between the opening and closing. However, it has to have both long tall upper shadows and lower shadows, which is about 4 times the size of the body, both the upper shadow and the lower shadow. So this is identified as a high wave candlestick. Whenever a high wave candlestick is identified, it only indicates that the markets are indecisive. Prices keep going up and down. There is no sense of direction. So when such uncertainty or instability is seen in the markets, for investors, it is best that you wait and watch and for the situation to indicate a clear trend for you to start taking positions. So this is the high wave candlestick. Markets are volatile, so please be careful when you're trading. Let's have a look at the world markets. The American markets are largely positive. Dow Jones with up by about 0.25 and S&P 500 up by about 0.41%. Brazil was up by about 1.65%, which is pretty good. The other markets also remained positive from the Americas section. The European markets, except for the Swiss markets, all the remaining markets were up and positive. The Japanese markets were up by about 0.38%, Hong Kong up by about 0.17%, but otherwise the rest of the markets were all on the downside. Singapore Nifty at the time of preparing this report was down by about 6.5 points. So if this is to be any indication, markets should open at around the same range as of yesterday, and we should still see how the markets are going to evolve. Thank you for watching this edition of Market News Update from Brokerage Free. Markets might be volatile today, so please be careful with your trades. Good luck and thank you.